This meeting is being recorded.
In section 2 of chapter 13, we are introduced to the process of naming ethers. And if you notice, we begin with the common nomenclature for ethers, where we would name each R group, so each alkyl, aryl, uh, etc. group. And then we would arrange them alphabetically and end with the word ether. So this is how common nomenclature would be formed for various ethers. So we see these two examples down here. So both of the R groups were named in this first compound. So we see ethyl on this side. So we have a 2-carbon group on the left-hand side. Then we have a 1-carbon group on this side. So we have ethyl on the left, methyl on the right. And alphabetizing this, we would see ethyl, methyl, ether is our name used down below. Then we have on the right side here, we have a tert butyl on the left, and then we have a methyl on the right. And if you recall, the prefixes are not used when we alphabetize. So this will be called a tert butyl with B for the alphabetizing used, methyl ether. So again, all you do is name the two R groups, put them in alphabetical order, and then add the word ether at the end. And that is your common name for an ether. When we name them using the IUPAC system, we would identify the larger R group as our parent chain, so the longest continuous chain of carbon atoms. And then we would name our smaller R group as an alkoxy substituent. So an example of this is shown below, where we divide our compound here, just a generic form where we have the parent is the larger R group, and then we have the rest of the compound is the alkoxy substituent. So here we see our longest carbon chain. Actually, if we start on the correct carbon, we would see that it's 5 carbons in length. So this parent would be a pentane, and then we would name this portion here, this 2-carbon connected to an oxygen, as an ethoxy substituent. So we would actually name this as ethoxy pentane. So we will continue with the next section, which discusses the structure and properties of ethers in section 3.